How y'all feeling?
Feeling like next year gotta be the best year, and it's gonna be. Dwayne, get up, get up.
I ain't even gonna fake it. I ain't gonna play no defense. Don't even think about shooting the ball, bro, or asking for the ball. If you're not playing no defense, I'm not passing you the ball. I ain't even gonna lie.
Is this the defensive player of the year?
Chill.
I'll get you buckets though, I ain't gonna lie.
Shaky, you're retired for a reason.
I'll still get you buckets.
When the last time you hooped?
The other day.
I told you some fucking flat tackle.
Damn, Chris. Off the flight, he doing that?
My body. Wait, bro. You wanna start playing first?
Take the exit, then keep right to merge onto I-195 east toward Miami Beach.
You're not even like that, bro.
Chop it off. Finish it. How we guard the man? How we guard the way to the goal? Now guard the paint, right? So we want to be even with the basket line, unless they got to shoot them with the jump. But we want to clog the paint. Yes. Point to the end, point to the ball. Let's line up in the line. All right. Line up in the line. Line up in the line, and then we're going to react off the ball. Go! Three to four threes every break. It just, I don't feel it in my workout. I don't get no drink. I shoot, then get a drink. It's just a little mindset joint. Go nowhere, them shit going in. Hey, Shake, what dunk you want after this?
What?
What dunk you want?
East Bay.
Damn, why you tell me that?
You asked.
I was hoping you said anything but that.
Alright, give me a windy.
Alright, good. Oh, big shit. There it goes. Alright, I got you, Shake. Watch out, Mary, let me bang. And what type of fashion do? Like, not two hand. You ain't tell me two hand.
Not two hand. You gotta extend it. I knew it, no bounce.
Let's go. Red. One. Let's go. Listen. Hey, fellas. Actually, that was a very good workout. I think as we finally got everybody here, I think we got the makings of a really good defensive team. And remember, Lee, three things that we talked about this year that we changed in the past. In the past, we said, our goals are to win Peach Jam and finish first place. We're not doing that this year. We want to be together, defensive minded, and tough. And I think if we do those three things, we're gonna. I think the winning will take care of itself. Defense, toughness, together. We do that, we're gonna be good this year. So when we leave here, we got a special guest that came in, and we're gonna have lunch. We're gonna visit an office. One of the guys that Dana and I used to work for, Wall Street guy that is gonna do something special for us. We're gonna set up a lunch, so we're gonna head over there now, and then after that we're gonna go over to the U.
My boy Chris, how was the season, bro?
Good season. Lost in the Elite 8. I ain't gonna say by how much, but
Y'all play like national prep showcase or something?
yeah, we lost in Elite 8 and that.
That was like 30?
Nah, like 17.
Did you lose to the Hampton?
Nah, yeah, we lost to Hampton.
Are they good?
We lost to Western Reserve. He had 35 on y'all, right? He had 27 on us.
Who's he?
Dudes getting in the warm weather and going live quick, no?
Bro, cause it ain't none of this at the crib right now. You gotta feel good. And watch, look, my live about to skyrocket. See it be booming right when I go live. Weather be good. Watch, you go and see 2 other heads there automatically. Unless it's a dead day. I don't want to gas myself in this. That is.
They at school.
Everybody at school, yeah, you gotta bear with me. It's all, look, it's already 1:30 on there though. You gotta bear with me a little bit. All right.
He's a better He's a better place.
So I mean, he just focused on his goal. Like, I mean, he was a little distracted.
He didn't run the streets as much.
Okay. He ain't run the streets at all.
I'm not in the streets now. You're right.
You was never.
Okay, let's go through this. Where does everybody want to go to school? Go. I just texted Cal. He's gonna come. Where do you want to go to school? Syracuse. Syracuse? Wait, you really want to go to Syracuse? Hold on. So what anyway? No, I'm dead serious. You want to go to Syracuse? Look at this. So this year, I literally made Cal, Kentucky, play Penn in Philadelphia. All right, you heard that, Meleek? I made Cal play at Penn. Yeah, it's fine. Look,
How you make Cal do that?
Man, I got my way. So look.
Thank you.
I'm telling you, honestly, these 2 are the best. You know why? Everybody who's around kids your age, they all want a piece of something. They want something for you. They don't want what's good for you. They want what's good for them. But these 2 guys are the best. You know why? Because they're good people. They want what's best. Shan, everybody that Shan knows, he knows. Everyone that Dana knows, they all love you. What did I say? You may not understand Dana all the time, but that's okay, right? But these are good people. You don't find many good people. Everybody uses people. Am I wrong about that?
Right? Oh, you're right.
And you don't have to get mad at him, you get mad at him, you get mad at him. Fucking, it's the way life goes. But you know what the problem is? You know why everyone likes to play for Cal? If you can play for Cal. And I love Cal, right? I mean, he doesn't have a coach. He doesn't have a crew, right? He's got a, why do I 98% of the kids, when he got indoctrinated to the Hall of Fame, right? Is this true? Whether it be Booker, whether it be this one, whether it be that, they all love him.
So I was saying that nobody really knows the person who helped start this lightning thing was this guy 25 years ago.
What's your profession?
We try to make money.
What are you doing right now?
What?
What are you doing with it?
Yeah, want to see what we do?
Google his name.
We trade energy, we trade futures, yeah.
He's known as one of the legends.
Here's those my guys. One guy's up $300,000.
We watch CNBC, they talk about commodities. They always bring him on.
What?
So you're the LeBron James of the trademark.
Of commodities.
Of commodities. The league, we got work.
Let's go take a
He got cheese. I'm gonna work with him. He got cheese.
Definitely.
Got cheese.
Yeah, you want to take a group picture?
Well, give me that beer.
Huh? Well, who's that?
We got 3 guys.
Only my brothers. I got the same talent with my brothers. And I'm gonna get a chain. That's just gonna say OMB. That's it. Everybody gonna be asking me what that means. They gonna be think I'm clicked up. Oh, you should have let me drive the boat.
It's the dorms over here?
Yeah. This is freshmen and sophomores all around. And they're building new ones.
Guys down there.
That's like the students.
Can we go out there? It's lit if I went here.
We'll go around. We'll go around. And then it's like the food court and it's like a huge pool right here.
Hey, see Jeff, you'll go here?
Oh yeah. Nah, this ain't
I'll go here.
We in Miami, ACC.
Hey, Shaky, what you want to see? What you want to see?
You can catch a dunk in the flip-flops. Catch a dunk in the flip-flops.
You always make me do some extra shit, but I got you, man. Just a little two-hand.
I already know you can hit the crazy shots. Like, I know you can.
Two-hand, just a little two-hand.
Shine light in the flip-flop. Oh my God. You a bait.
A little two-hand drink.
Hey, they ain't even stretched though.
Ain't even stretched though.
Yeah. You're picking the University of Miami. We double. That's bad money, man. That's fine.
Show him, Mari. This look just like OTE weight room.
Yeah, dude. That shit whack. Why are they so high, bro?
How many times y'all lift for OTE a week?
5. 4, actually 4. Every day but Wednesday. Before the game and all that.
Hey, you think it helps you a lot?
You see this, boy? Of course it helped me.
Y'all lift every day too, right?
Yeah, we lift every day, but before and after games, OD. That's pro.
You lift every day?
Before and after games.
No, not after.
Oh.
No, only sometimes after.
Nah, I remember I bought Patty. I was
And I'm
that
pumping
wild
50s
away
right
from after
now.
that loss, bro. Nah, that was y'all.
I don't think that's 50s, but
What's the best one? Are you ready to ball?
I'm always ready to ball. We're in Miami. I've never been to Miami for the first trip. For the first go round.
Loosen up. Yo,
you gotta get me hot, dude. I'm freezing.
oh, son, freak out. Listen, and then we ain't gonna have no chance to warm. Like, that's why I wanted to do this, because I wanted y'all to at least move. But
Like the game starting when that over?
I mean, I don't see y'all having more than 5 minutes to warm up.
Like 3, 4.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, so listen, we here with it. We here with it. We gotta do some movement, so we just gonna bounce real quick, y'all. Come on, Jesus Christ. I feel tight. Bounce.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Good. How everybody feeling? Let's do some jumping jacks, and then we're gonna end with that. So we got now. Give me a good 25. A good 25. Ready? Let's get it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Good.
9,
10. Where we at?
12,
Right there.
13,
No one's y'all.
15,
Talk to me.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
I blame Meleek. You offbeat. Yo, I'm trying to rhyme. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to freestyle.
Oh yeah?
I got that. Yo, fellas, we just try to loosen up the body just a little bit and do what you was born to do. Let's go, hoop.
Get them out.
How y'all feeling about EYBL season this year?
We're gonna have to want it more. You feel me? Last year, we was really better than every team in the country. It was just the situation. Can't make no excuses. I just feel like this year, we gotta play more together, more defense, and we're gonna get it done.
Body him.
I'm trying. It ain't easy as it look. I tried.
Messing with my socks on my movement, bro. Fuck out of here.
You get the strap when you put those on. Huh? Did you get the strap when you put those on?
Definitely. I got four 3/4.
Not bad for the first time. We gotta pick up on defensive stuff. We gotta play smarter. We doubled sometimes when we needed to double. We didn't help sometimes when we needed to help. We gotta have, you know what I'm saying? We gotta use our basketball IQ. Again, it's our first time playing with each other. We're gonna learn who can do what, how we can help each other out. I'm gonna need y'all to help me in situations. And I think it was a good effort overall. All right, we saw some things that worked. We saw some things that we got to fix. Overall, good effort.
It doesn't matter who we play. We want to be consistent in our gameplay. So if we don't feel the team is that good, then we shut them down. They don't score, we score all the points. Right. So now we got to make a conscious effort to have that championship mentality to say no matter what, we're going to be consistent. That's all I got. See? Gotta play hard and play together. That's it.
Let's go, bring it in.
Yo, lightning on 3, family on 6, 1, 2, 3.
Lightning.
4, 5, 6.
You don't want to be in the TikTok rap?
Hell nah.
EYBL, that's how I'm feeling.
It's
like, what am I bringing these out for? We only got 2 more games today, showcase games. I'm just trying to
You don't need
put
to do
that
it
note
here.
on with some regular kicks on. Dwayne, get up. Get up. Hey, they got Meek Mill on there screaming. Yo, Shaky, you'd be scared of Meek Mill if he was in the same room just y'all two?
Amazing feats, Lee. Amazing feats. The finished beaches is better? The finished beaches is better?
That color is crazy. Yeah, Chris.
Okay, Preston.
Guys, make sure y'all get something out of it today. We came out here to get working. We're not just out here to Yo, hey. Defense on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Defense. Let's go early.
Hush. Thank you. Let's go. Knockdown, Lee. Good shot, boy. Oh. It's right. It's right. Be Rebound! Hold it! Hold it! Knock down, Lee! Yo, he face guarding me, he don't got no help. Skate, skate! He don't got no help. Come on. Yo, look, they can't guard, bro. White three. Oh. What? Thank you. Slide your feet, young. Hey! Hey! Bro. I got you, man. Sure.
Yeah. Hey, wait. Good shot. Yeah, man.
Boom. Hell no.
guys that come off the bench, right? You got a cheat sheet. So you see who could shoot, who could go left, who could go right. Dude number 4 was the shooter, right? He was keeping them in the game, banging long threes. We gotta make sure we stay attached to that type of player. You know, make him a driver, make him a distributor. We can't let him walk us into a 3. You know, those things, like if we, and it might be small, but that's the difference between winning by 15 and winning by 6, whatever we won by. That's little things that we have to tweak and get better at, and so we can improve as a group. We gotta huddle up, we gotta be on the same page every possession, and that's not the big guy's fault. It's your fault, your fault, your fault, your fault, right? We gotta be able to get everybody together and understand what we're doing. We want to confuse the team sometimes. We switch the defense, we do man-to-man, sometimes we do press. We gotta be on the same page as that. I think it was a good win though, because they had quality players and we won a tough game, so it wasn't an easy game. But we gotta fix those little things, because when the talent, we're a little more talented than them, when the talent is the same, there's gonna be those little things that matter in those games. So let's go, let's bring it in. We got a game off, then we play again.
Bless you. Lightning on 3, Lightning on 6, 1, 2, 3. Lightning, 4, 5, 6.
Good shit, what's the word, huh?
Yeah, like I said.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Leek? You know what I mean?
Shaky, what's the word?
You know what I mean?
You can flip the screen.
Show the husk.
Oh yeah, now we feeling it.
Oh, we in there.
Yeah, we are.
I see myself right there.
Yeah, I see me too, right?
I'm yadded up, Shake.
Yeah, he yadded up.
Yeah. Wait till I get my leg, though. You gonna see that?
What about PGH Mirror? He yadded up.
He yadded up. He
Shake, you yadded up. Where your yats at? Where the yats at? Oh, hold on. Let me flip it. You know what I mean? Yadded up. He got the slushy. Let me see the fifth check.
Wait, the mic guy, you wasn't hearing what we was talking about on the bench?
I gotta keep the people involved in my city, so it's like
show the yats off and
show the yats off, but that's not even about that. I'm gonna tell them like I'm gonna be sick when all this over.
True. Look at him.
That's what I should have just got, bro. I'd be done by now.
Defense.
Something that somebody brings every game. It might be different. It might not be the same person. But I got some good feedback from your play.
Yo, man, my team just keep killing. We're gonna win everything. Just keep playing.
Yo, that's 3 wins to start the season, man. You know how this go.
They can't guard you, man.
Hey, yo, you do the 1 dribble to the hook. What's the 3 dribbles waiting for the triple team to come? Waiting for the triple team to come.
That's what I was laughing at. That's mad dirty.
One compliment I got from multiple people about our team was the way we shared the ball. We shared the ball. We played D in that spurt. When it was a close game. We got stops and we buried them. It was over. You know, and again, we all I want us to play aggressive. I don't want us to play passive. And we all gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna make a mistake on the sub. I'm gonna make a mistake on the play call. But I'm gonna be aggressive with my play calling. I want y'all to be aggressive with your play. Then at times when we have to be smart, we gotta be smart. All right? And no, I think we did a good job this week.
Because y'all know the next 3 weekends, even after this, it's a long 3 weeks.
Memphis on the 26th, Atlanta on the May 2nd, weekend off, Mother's Day. Then we go Indianapolis, finish Memorial Day in Kansas City. So it's bang, bang, bang. Those 16, 15 games go like that.
So if y'all want to be a league team, a team to win it all, you got to be a league defensive team.
Yo, I ain't even gonna fake it. If y'all ain't gonna play no defense, don't even think about shooting the ball, bro, or asking for the ball. If you're not playing no defense, I'm not passing you the ball. I ain't even gonna lie.
If the thing about it though, when we get stops and if we outlet the ball, we might be the fastest team in the country.
Whatever you put into it is what you're gonna get out of it. You put your all into it, then I'm gonna put my all into it. That's just gonna make everybody feed off of it, and we're gonna get the most out of it. That's gonna be a championship. You put a little bit into it, and half-ass in practice, half-ass to get up, half-ass to do what the coaches is saying, what we gotta do to win. We going half through the season, we just gonna be all right. And I don't want that.
All right, let's go.
Go enjoy South Beach.
Huh?
Go enjoy South Beach.
Yes, sir.
South Beach. Preston said he didn't want to go.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A words. Chick-fil-A.
Lighting on 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, lighting, 4, 5, 6, 10.
Hey, Shake, but I'm just telling y'all, cause y'all part of us, y'all part of me. I'm coming back. I'm coming. Come on, bro. No Diddy.
No Diddy.
All right, but I'm coming back. I'm coming back next session, and all the sessions I'm gonna have my leg tied. And it's gonna say something real, like real meaning, real trench, right?
She smack you like that.
Everyone, you can't go across the line to pop. I guess look, I missed one was double, straight. I'm still jumping. Hey.
Day, you know, it's supposed to be a fun thing for you guys, so you know, have some energy. I know you guys are tired, but we'll be on the court. We'll be doing some media stuff. Everyone has their little badge thing.
Your badge on.
Either says A, B, or C on it. Unless someone tells you to take it off, I need you to wear it because they're pretty strict around here with security. So A, B, and C. That's just going to be your groups for the media stations. Cool? Yeah. Any questions? Alright.
First off the plane, man.
Yeah, like imagine we scrimmage 16s here or something.
We at the Nike headquarters, I guess. About to do a little photo shoot, media day. Get some gear. You got my
Cha-ching, they got cha-ching in here.
I wanted to welcome y'all. Nike headquarters, EYBL set up for y'all today, man. They wanted to put something together so y'all could enjoy the moment, enjoy the preseason, get ready for the season. I know y'all just came back today, right? This morning, I know y'all tired. Y'all probably don't want to hear me chatting and all that, but yeah, they got some setup stuff, some media stuff. They're gonna do some stuff on the court. Yeah, like your coaches, man, clap it up for yourself, man. Y'all been working hard. This for y'all, man. No other teams on the East Coast got this, just y'all. Y'all, PSA, only the Nike teams on the East Coast. Y'all only 4 teams. Y'all one of the teams. Tomorrow, Exodus, and they the last team, but
4, Preston.
6'4".
DJ. Yo, what? Oh, I can just pick?
One, bro.
What is number? I need 5.
This size 18.
Yeah.
18.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's good. No one helps me.
I was trying to tell you, right out there. Turn it. Yo, yeah, you can turn it. Just ask go. You? No.
I'm blocking it by contesting it.
Hey, bro, why would you jump?
Oh, nah. Bozo man started.
They would have won if they had you, right, Lee?
Yeah, bro. You talking about Bozo, man, but you lost from the game.
Did y'all win the game that week?
Oh, yes. We did. we did.
I'm gonna get that one.
We did. Canadian U played.
Yeah, they did. They did beat you, play.
You can ask them today when they game the whole weekend.
Shut up, y'all lost.
We all lost.
We all lost. Y'all went out first.
But like y'all lost.
I would have rather been fucked up.
You rather go 1-6 than losing the Elite 8?
I'd rather been fucked up losing than go out crying.
And do intros, player intros.
Let's go.
That's the shooter. What's my name? Good, what's my name? Dr. G. I live in Tampa, Florida. I'm an emotional health specialist. I work with some of y'all in Florida. I'm gonna say back. Oh. Come on now. I'm gonna say shoulders. I'm gonna say knees. Cup. Let's go. Find your opponent. Let's go. Find your opponent. Let's go.
Oh, we only got one time in it?
No, we go. 2 out of 3. Let's go. 2 out of 3. Let's go. Back. Knees. Head. Shoulders. Yeah, he too slow. All right, we in New York City. You see the grace they got behind us. You don't know what they about to do this year, but they do. We want to leave you with one message, and that's it. It's okay to feel. That's how you feel. Thank you, Nike. How many players play the NBA? How many players play college? I want y'all to say these words. Don't let me. 25,000. Say it. 25,000. How many play high school? 500. How many play AAU? We got the numbers. Watch this. This is how many participants can actually that's gonna play college. How many are draft eligible? That's that can even because everybody can go to the draft. I didn't know that. That's not true. You have to be eligible. Then, how many are drafted from the NCAA? 52. And then, how many go pro? 1.2%. That's our best show up. This could be you. Don't let nobody look at this number like it ain't nobody. This is somebody. That could be you. You hear it? Do y'all hear me? Yes, sir. This could be you. Don't look the other way. You ain't 99. This us. You hear me? This us. That would scare me. When I see that, you got a percent, that's me. I'm that one.
Have you guys played outside of New York City at the parks at all?
Yeah.
So, how do you feel about that? How has that made you a better player? What's that experience?
That experience was crazy. Like just the atmosphere, the people, everybody there for the same thing. They want to see good basketball, flashy, tough. Like they want to be there for the show.
Poster dunk or an ankle breaker?
Poster dunk.
Poster dunk.
So since it's 3 versus 1 on the poster dunk, who's most likely to commit a poster dunk first? Who you got?
You're supposed to say that though. I'm not
gonna. Nah, if anybody can.
Alright, so anybody besides yourself. Now on.
You know I'm here to dunk the ball.
I mean, he's just a hater.
Most likely to drop 30. Alright. Who on the team is the best dancer?
Oh, is the best?
Best dancer?
Oh, dancer. Dance.
We can see some?
Yeah, let me see some. Bow, bow, bow. We're going left.
Day in the life. Left.
Let's go, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna spoil that.
Yeah. Long weekend, first week in the AAU. 3-0. Went from Miami to New York. So, you know, we expect to go undefeated this year, as we should. I feel like we got great pieces. So, yeah, that's the weekend.
I say, like he said, 3-0, we expect to go undefeated. Like, you gotta enjoy the moments, but always expect the highest, the best. I don't think nobody can really rock with us. It's just we gotta do everything we can to hold that up. You know, Miami, we was in the Yami.
Straight from Miami.
We was in the Sky-Yami, straight to New York. So it's just creating memories. That's really what it's about, creating memories and that you can have forever.
Just having fun with my guys, man. Last go around with them, so we gotta make it count. You know the main goal.